Well, I did the trunk today. This was probably the hardest of the whole system. I mean, this is just getting it into every little freaking nook and cranny. It was just crazy. But yeah, there's that. I did underneath this thing. I'm putting this back on. I just remembered to do a video. I did that door, but I already put that back on it. I would have put it in the video. But yeah, I did up here, up in there, basically everywhere I could. And let's see, this is all I have left, so it's probably enough to do 2 more doors. Might be able to squeeze the rest of them out, I don't know, we'll see. But alright, I'm going to put some of this back together, and then I'll do another video when it's all done. So, later.